Greetings of the day. I am Abhishek Yadav, cohort of B, Department of Cloud Computing, and this is the video representation of my final DevOps project. So this is my Cloud9 IDE, which I use to implement and develop my code. As you can see, my code is up to date. So I have successfully pushed my code into my GitHub repository. So here is my pipeline. As soon as I push my GitHub repository, it pick up from the source and it is implementing from the source. And in the meanwhile, I will show you my cloud architecture diagram. So the source has been done. It is showing just now. So this is my report and this is my architecture diagram of my application. So my application is based on Dublin tourism and for that I used to implement this I used my Cloud9 environment and for the images storing I used the S3 bucket. So my code is pushed to the GitHub repository. Basically, it is a version control software, and then it is picked up from the Cloudbill, which use the S3 bucket for storing and implementing all the artifact, and then it will get deployed into the Elastic Beanstalk. For the security and vulnerability analysis, we use Pylint and Sonar Cloud. So the Sonar Cloud is basically the analysis platform which takes our code from the GitHub and it will analyzes all the vulnerabilities and risk of the code and it gives the result of this efficiency of the code. And the Pylint we use to check the manual analysis of our program and check whether is that code is written in a efficient manner or not. So it's still working on and here I implement my all the code I perform my pilot operation. So this is a command for checking my all the pilot file at the same time simultaneously. So it's showing my the code has rated 10 after 10. It's analyzing all my admin app models, test URLs, and view py files, which is used to implement my application. I did a static code analysis by implementing certain task modules such as commenting the code and write and making a new spaces for making a new line for the code in order to implement. So the Sonar Cloud has been done. It analyzed my code and it's give me the success rate of my program, which is working fine. So the build store also has been done. It's showing the success rate over here. The build specs.yml fetch from the build stage, and it check the all the vulnerability and security of my code, and it said the artifact has been successful. So the deployment also has been done. So this is my website. It is based on the Dublin tourism, where uh, where the main admin can perform the CRUD operation, and the user will get the update informations of the each particular activity which any travel or any person who wanted to visit Dublin can perform. So at my admin stage, the admin will log in. So here, the tab is basically a subject, and this is the main admin module page where the admin can add multiple entities, and it can also implement the entities over here, such as if the admin wanted to delete, so he can perform the delete operation. So you can see there is only one page, only two pages left. One was deleted. So if the admin wants to add something more, he can go to the add tab. He can title XYZ. Okay. Uh, uh, he can assign the timing. What is the best time to visit for anyone? So the URL is come from the URL is coming from S3 bucket. So XYZ is saved. Now you can see. So I use a random image. That's why it's showing me the cliff of more. But user can pick any relevant images and just put and give the best time, and it can give the information to the traveler or the any particular user who come and seek for the information. So that is my project. Thank you.